Hey, hi-oh. How's it going, guys? Have a good one. Can you pack?
Oh wait, this is good lighting.
That's the point, bro.
Ow!
I didn't even touch you.
I know.
So, yeah, so I have these MacBook laptop. Get it? Next combo.
Hi guys. I'm putting some bronzer on because I don't know why I look the way that I look. If you guys are wondering what's going on today, you might know from the title, but today I'm gonna be doing a pack with me because I'm going on a trip. So I'm really excited. I'm bringing my best friend because it's her birthday while we're gonna be there. Noah's bringing a friend. We're going with my dad, so it's gonna be a really fun time, and I'm gonna vlog the trip a little bit. I need to pack. It's currently like 10 p.m. and we leave tomorrow morning, so of course I would put this off. Why didn't I pack a week ago? Why didn't I? My room's a mess, just don't freaking worry about it. Here's my lovely suitcase that is twice the size of me. There's my bed, doesn't know how to be made. This is a problem. What's really challenging is the fact that when we get there, it's gonna be 90 degrees. But when we leave, it's gonna be like 57 degrees. So what do I pack? Everything? Everything? Snow pants? A swimsuit? Oh, I'm stressed out. I'm not gonna like pack outfits. I'm just gonna pack individual things and just hope that I have outfits when I get there. I'm gonna pack these jeans. This skirt I've never worn. I don't even know if it fits me, but I think it's low-key kind of cute and kind of different. I think I'm just gonna bring it. I kind of want to wear it eventually, so maybe this will be my time to shine. These shorts, I also have never worn. They're from Princess Polly, and they are really freaking cute. I just don't know if they're going to fit. They just don't fit. They don't fit. They're little, what the hell? What? You see? So I don't have a penis. I'm not packing these. I think I'm gonna wear this at the airport with leggings and a tank top underneath it. It's just like a little zip up. This is really good to just wear around the resort at night. You know, maybe you don't. No. Yes. Maybe. Yes. Yes. Do I want that? No. I grabbed some more stuff. I'm bringing these shoes. This I bought specifically for the trip. I bought it probably 2 weeks ago. Just a little like late night. It's kind of like a cool breeze. Dick's Sporting Goods just sent me this fanny pack super randomly, and I honestly don't really vibe with fanny packs that much, but we're gonna be hiking one of the days, so I thought that this would be good to put like my phone and stuff in. What is going on? But oh, I love when people wear these. I think it's the cutest little thing. But also on me, I feel like I just kind of look like a grandma that's trying to be like sexy, but it's not working. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear it. I don't know. Do I bring this? Like to just a basic little white? I feel like, yeah. I've already packed enough for my entire trip, so. Oh my god, my closet is a mess. What is going on there? That's probably gonna fall in a second. No. No. Uh-oh. I hate all my clothes. No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. Yes, I love this shirt. I love these bottoms. Oh no. Whose swimsuit is this? Absolutely not. Okay, this is actually bad. I gotta go. Whose swimsuit is this? I do not need this many pairs of sweatpants. So, it's been like an hour, and I did the laundry, or the laundry is currently in the laundry machine, and I'm just kind of packing up my toiletries. Noah's doing homework. Yeah. I lost my, I do not need this many fucking clothes. Like, I don't need all this. What if I do? I don't know. Not a lot, but like a few.
Like, what are you gonna take?
My forces, my sandals over there.
You got 5 pairs of jeans.
I don't know what to do. It's been like a while longer, and I just put the clothes that were in the washer in the dryer. What time is it? It's 12:30, so I've been doing this for 2.5 hours, and I want to die. This is what my suitcase looks like. The rest of my room, a complete disaster. I just packed up like my makeup that I want to bring, and I'm trying to like not bring too much because I'm not even gonna want to do my makeup that much. Packing up my carry-on, and I bring this big That's Vera Bradley bag because it's the only thing that holds my camera bag, which is probably 6 pounds if you're wondering. I also have to put 2 laptops in here, one for school and my MacBook for editing. Oh, I love it. Okay, whatever. So done, actually. I'm gonna try to clean my room up a little bit because I don't want it to be a mess when I get back. Oh my god, I know. Okay, so it's literally so late now. It's almost 2 a.m. I kind of took a little break from packing because I had to wait for the stuff to get out of the dryer, but honestly, I don't feel like I have like that much. Okay, I have like a ton of little tank tops, but they take up no room, so I'm just confused about what's taking up all my room. Like that shit. You feel? I don't honestly know what to do anymore, but like I feel like I'll wear them. Okay, I'll just bring these ones. What do I wear during the day?
What are you wearing your sweatpants for then? You need 1 pair of leggings.
No, 2. At least 2.
You have at least 2 pairs of sweatpants in there.
1, 2,
3.
3. I need to go to bed. I forgot that like I can't just like I look so ugly right now.
Yeah, here, take a look. I'll flip up the screen.
You just flip up the screen. Let me see. Oh.
Less space, less weight. There you go.
Why did I just dab? Why did I just dab?
You could, you gonna wear that weird blue color? What are you gonna wear that with?
My black jeans that I'm not bringing.
There you go.
My ass hangs out of those. Okay. Okay, guys, this is my suitcase. Why did I just... I'm just so weird. I was like, this is my suitcase.
Shoulder. Lean.
This is definitely 85 pounds. What's taking up all the room?
In my allergy medicine. We saw Feast today, guys. In the road at Las Vegas. Basically, what's taking up all the room in your suitcase would be all the clothes that you just packed. Ryan!
You have 7 outfits per day.
No, but like all these little tank tops. I got my new watch. Where's my bangle? Is Dad gonna be mad? Bro, you got me fucked up.
It's only 38.
Wait, how heavy can it be? 40?
I think so. At least 30. Show the bangle. Yeah. List.
Does this look like a female shirt or a male shirt?
Here, you know what's crazy? Why would you ever have something packed and you don't even know what the fuck it is?
No,
or whose it is?
No, like I don't know whose it is, but I want it. This is a men's shirt. Who's rocking this?
You guys know whose shirt it is.
You? I'm not even kidding. I don't know whose shirt this is, but I like it. I've looked like this the whole time.
Yeah, I told you. You have issues.
Do you have AirPods? Hi guys, I'm ending the vlog. This isn't even a vlog. It was supposed to be a pack with me. I literally, these type of videos are getting very common on my channel. It's fine.
Can I say something? This bullshit, it's fine. What is that? What the fuck?
I can't stop
No,
it.
that's stupid. No, and you cover your mouth and stick your tongue out and do that weird shit. I can't.
It was like 3 honey, but like... Kidding. Thank you, Daniel Wellington. Danielle? Daniel.
Danny.
I gotta go. Thank you guys for watching.